In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use PowerPoint, whether you're building a class project, a business pitch, or something to share online. This walkthrough will help you create a clean, professional slide deck from start to finish. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint. On the start screen, you can choose a blank presentation for a simple, flexible canvas, or pick a ready-made template if you want coordinated colors, fonts, and layouts from the start. Templates are great for consistency and can save you time, especially if you're new to design. Once your presentation is open, click the title box on the first slide and type your main headline. Then move to the content box and add supporting information. These boxes are placeholders designed to keep your text aligned and readable. Try to use short phrases or key points rather than full paragraphs so your audience stays focused on what you're saying. If needed, use the Home tab to adjust font size, alignment, or emphasis to improve clarity. To add more slides, go to the Home tab and click New Slide. You'll see layout options like title, image, or content. Pick a layout that matches the kind of information you're adding. For example, choose a title and content layout for bullet points or a title and picture layout when you want to highlight an image. Keeping layouts consistent from slide to slide makes your deck look polished. Next, shape the overall look in the Design tab. Browse the available themes until you find one that fits your message. Themes automatically coordinate colors and fonts across all slides, which helps with readability and brand cohesion. If a theme feels too busy, switch to a simpler one that maintains strong contrast between text and background. Now it's time to insert content. Open the Insert tab to add pictures, shapes, or icons, charts or tables, and extra text boxes. Use high-quality images that support your point rather than distract from it. Icons and simple shapes can draw attention to key ideas. For data, charts make trends easier to grasp, while tables work well for quick comparisons. Position elements using the alignment guides so everything lines up cleanly. To bring your slides to life, add effects wisely. Use transitions for how one slide changes to the next, and animations to reveal text or objects in stages. Keep effects subtle and consistent so they enhance your message without overwhelming it. Preview and adjust the duration if things feel too fast. Be sure to save your work. Click File, then Save As, choose a location, and give your file a clear name. Saving early and often protects your progress. When you're ready to present, go to Slideshow and select from Beginning. Use the arrow keys to move forward or back or swipe on a touch device. Speak to your slides rather than reading them verbatim, and you're good to go. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.